Hello everyone. Warm good afternoon to all of you. This is me Tapash Ku.Pradhan, a student from the political science. I would like to welcome to all of you to this session of my YouTube channel. How are you everyone? I hope you are fine, fit and well. So as you know that we are in a continuation of the concept series of ICT. Last day we discussed about the different terminology and abbreviation of ICT. Today I will going to discuss with you the important topic which is like due to your demand I am here to discuss with you the memory. Yes guys, the memory topic which is very crucial for the like ICT for your examination of UGC Net paper 1. Okay, so any kind of student, it is basically very important, your political science or non-political science background, because paper 1 is common for everyone. So that is how the things. So let's discuss the ICT basic understanding the memory. So memory, that in memory, if I talk about, there are two type of the things we generally use, that input and output. You know very well input and output. So there is no requirement to explain to you, because input something like you something put the enter or something like you give information to computer for processing. Okay, like when you basically trying to get something, you input in mind, and on the basis of your information your mind is going to be reflect. That is how the output. So similarly in computer there is input and output system. In this system, input use the keyboard, use the mouse, you use the like pen drive. Okay, then output is like your monitor, touch screen. Okay, like your printer, they are output. But so far so the memory is concerned, there is a central processing unity. Okay, computer, there is a central processing unity. In this central processing unity there is a logical unity, arithmetic unity, there is a control unity, there is a like the system of memory and input and output device. So but from the exam point of view, it is important that the understanding the memory hierarchy. Okay, the first will be guys your registers, then your cache memory, then your RAM memory, then ROM. Okay, then your magnetic disks, then your magnetic tabs. So from the highest to lowest is like register, cache, RAM, ROM, magnetic disks and magnetic tab. Okay, this is how highest to the lowest order. If I talk about from the perspective of expensive, the first one is like less expensive. Then when it reaches to the the magnetic tab, it is most basically expensive. So this is how the thing. And let's understand the difference between the RAM and ROM. So far so the memory concern, like the memory, like the concern, there are the two type of memory. One is like primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is like your the RAM, ROM. Okay, so first of all let's understand the RAM and ROMs. Okay, and secondary memory is like HDD, FDD, DVD, pen drive. There are the secondary memory. So difference between the ROM and RAM, if I talk about, so ROM is like your read only memory, RAM is like your random access memory. RAM is like random access memory, and RAM is volatile memory. Volatile means guys, volatile means is like your temporary. Okay, it is not permanent. If the computer is shut down, the thing is stored in the RAM, it is something like loss. It is something like loss. Yes guys, it is something like loss. But in ROM, if once the document is storage in the computer, it is a long last. Yes guys, it is a long last. So this is how the concept of RAM and ROM. And very important thing is like in your ROM is known as your non-volatile memory. That means it is a permanent. Yes guys, that means it is a permanent. Okay, so that is how the things we generally understands. And again this what we can say, that the RAM we found in MB. Okay, RAM in we found in MB, but ROM we found ROM in GB, gigabit. So what does it mean? That there are the different unity in memory. Yes guys, there are the different unity memory, and this unity memory is also can be present in hierarchy order. So we will discuss this thing also. So first let's discuss the type of the RAM and type of the ROM. Okay, so type of RAM, if I talk about, there is the dynamic RAM, there is a static RAM, there is a synchronous dynamic random access memory. In your dynamic RAM there is a capacitor, it is very economical. But in static RAM it is very expensive. It is found in your cache memory, and it is used in the concept like flip flops. Okay, flip flop. Then your synchronous dynamic memory, which we basically use in the video game. Okay, video game. So these are the things. Then ROM divided in three part also. The PROM, EPROM, EPROM. PROM, the program random access memory, in which it is programmable once. Then EPROM, electrical erasable program random access memory, erasable program random access memory. Through the ultraviolet use, it can be used. It can be done. Then another is EPROM, electrical erasable random access memory, which is basically used for like it can electrically it can be erasable, and it is used through USB, or we can say that guys your the USB, or we can say the flip box, USB, universal serial bus, that using the EEE Pro. So this is how the things. But guys, our video is all about not this ICT. So this is how basic thing we discuss about ICT memory topic, memory hierarchy. Again I am repeating that first it will be your the register, then cache, then RAM, then ROM, then secondary storage memory, that is basically your HDD, optical discs, magnetic discs, DVD. Okay, these are the things. And we also discuss about your from fastest to lowest, first to register, then cache, then RAM, then ROM. This is how the things. And we found in the basically RAM, the MB, and the ROM, the GB. So this is how the things. Let's this is how some of the ICT. Then we will discuss about the 5 bonus question, which I always discuss with you. Similarly, I will do this thing right now. So let's get start these 5 bonus questions. So guys, like the question is from the SSB Odisha, so PYQ. So we are in a continuation of the parallel link covering the PYQ analysis along with the question from a topic from the paper 1, the Ugc Net. So let's discuss who authored the book The Function of Executive. So guys, it is Chester Bernard. Yes guys, Chester Bernard authored the book Function of Executive in the year of 1938. In the year of 1938. That is how important thing. Then which one of the following not a method of coordination? So method of coordination, there are different method of coordination, like planning, like inspection, like standardization of procedure. But here the concept like centralized housekeeping is option C, which is not going to be a method of coordination. That's why that's not a method of coordination, and this option C is not a method of coordination. That is going to be our answer. Okay, that is the things. Then who coined the term representative bureaucracy? It is by the Donald Kingsley. Yes guys, it is by the Donald Kingsley who coined the term representative bureaucracy. Yes guys, representative bureaucracy coined by the Donald Kingsley. Then this is how the 3 questions, which basically I feel is important. And another concept like who advocated the idea the new public service serving rather than steering. The new public service serving rather than steering, guys, it is given by Robert and Janet Danner. Yes guys, Robert and Janet Danner gave the concept new public service serving rather than steering. So this is how the one question you understand. Then which one of the following is not a correct source of new public management? Yes, so public choice theory is new public management, managerialism new public management, Chicago school economy new public management, but the new public administration is not a source of the new public management. So yes guys, you heard correct. So new public administration is not a correct source for the new public management. So this is how the 5 bonus question from my side for the analysis of SSB Political Science Odisha. So you are also understanding that how much they are asked, deep question they ask, and what is the level of question they ask, and how can we prepare accordingly. So this is all about from my side for this today. I hope it is helpful to you and it is crystal clear you. And if you like my effort, do subscribe, do press the bell icon, that will not miss such kind of precious video. And do share with your friend, because sharing is always caring. Bye bye guys, have a nice day.